All right, you little mathematicians, today we're going to sort of relearn the distributive property, this time with variables. We learned it earlier in the year when it just came to numerical expressions. Now we're going to look at algebraic expressions that contain variables. So, use the distributive property to determine if the two expressions are equivalent. These are the two expressions. This is expression number 1, expression number 2, and we are wondering, are they equal? So, what the distributive property tells us is that we're going to multiply this number in. If you kind of remember before, this is saying we have 3 groups of x plus 2. And we're wondering if that equals 3x plus 6. So let me turn to the next page here. So here we can see that we have our 3 groups of x plus 2. This is x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, and we're seeing, does that equal 3x's plus 6? And hopefully you can see that yes, it does. I mean, over here we have our 3x's just like here, and over here we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 just like we do down here. So we know we could multiply this out. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 2, this here, is 6. So those are equivalent. We've used the distributive property to see those two expressions are equivalent. Now we're going to see if we can use the distributive property to see if these two expressions are equivalent. This expression here and this expression here. So, of course, we need to distribute. Here, it's the 1/2 on this side that needs distributing. So we're going to multiply that 1/2 in, and 1/2 times 4, what's 1/2 of 4? That would be 2, plus 1/2 of x. The way you'd write that is just 1/2 x. So is that the same as that? You should be able to see that no, they're not the same, because this is just 2 plus 1/2 of x, whereas this is 2 plus x, the entire thing x. So those are not equivalent. So they are not equivalent. Hope that helps. You've seen how to use the distributive property with algebraic expressions. Practice a few problems, and we'll continue to practice in class. Thanks a lot. Adios.